This video is to show you how to submit your progress report grades in Skyward. First off, you got to pick a class that you want to work with first. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this class here. I'm going to go to that class's grade book. Now you notice the progress report 1 column here. That column should have the current grades for the students in that class. Now what we're going to do is come over here to posting and choose post grades. Notice you can only post grades if the window is open. If the window is not open, you can just see display class. But if the window is open, you can hit the post grades link. Now really you're not posting any grades. The grades are already put in there for you for progress reports. But what you can add here is conduct in this column here and comments. Notice there are 4 slots, so you can give 4 comments to each student. For conduct, you can just put in a 1, 2, or 3. But don't forget, if you're giving a student a 2 or a 3, you should have parent contact about that student's behavior. If all your students have a 1 for conduct, you don't have to put anything there. That's the default. For comments, you're going to type in the number of the comment that you want for that student. Which comment goes with which number? Well, if you come over here to the View Comment Codes link, it will show you all the comments and their codes for you to type in. Now, if you happen to have a great class like I do, you might want to go ahead and fill in all the comments with one single code, which you can do by using this drop-down list. So if you were to pick a comment code here, notice it says, do you want to fill in all the blank comments with that code? If you do, click OK. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and type them in for individual students. Now the important thing, of course, is you want to click Save, because that's the only way that those comments and conduct will be transferred to the progress report. Next, you want to go back to your gradebook, because you have to report to your administrator that you have indeed finished your progress report grades. The way you do that is come back over to the PR1 column, hover over Options, and choose Grade Posting Status for Midterm PR1. Go ahead and click that. Next, click Mark All as Completed. Now it doesn't look like anything happened here, but you notice this Posting Complete checkbox is now checked. That means you have sent these grades to your administrator. Once you've done there, click Back, and you're back to your gradebook. Now, if you don't want to do the posting status for every individual class, here's what you can do. Starting from your home page, come up to Teacher Access and choose My Gradebook. This will show you the list of all your classes. Well, if you notice the button up here, Posting Status, you can click that, go down to the Progress Report 1, click that, and this way, if you hit Mark All as Complete, it'll go ahead and update all of them for you. Once you've done that, just hit Back, and you're done. Now, just a reminder, if you update grades after you've gone through this process, you will need to go through the process again for each individual class where you've updated grades. And that's all there is to posting your progress report grades.